my channel, it's me again, Rungnapha Beauties. So today we're gonna do another makeup tutorial again. Oh my god guys, I have been through so much this kind of year as me being 21, and I just don't want to talk about it because it's just hitting me so much and it's still as a fresh wound. So I just want to come here and just do what I love to do, which is makeup, and talk to you guys, and yeah, most about it. And today is gonna be very creative, very outstanding, and out there. So before we're gonna start, we're gonna prime our face with the primer. So today I will be using Revolution Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer. Alright guys, so this is the primer. I know it looks a bit weird, but girl, I hope it does something, and I don't know. I hope that it mattifying my face and making my face look wonderful. I don't know about this primer. It's kind of make me feel like oily on my face, and I know some of you guys that hating this kind of feeling because I hate it too. But I want to see if she does my face good or bad. So, and today's look is gonna be like crazy, and it's gonna be beautiful as well, extravaganza, and I can't wait and see. As for today's makeup and the eyebrow, it's gonna be a night and sunset, a glamour. So it's gonna be two-parted. So on one side it's gonna be sunset and warm tone color, and the other side is gonna be a cool tone, which is gonna be a night one. So take a deep breath and let's do it. Alright guys, so this is my eyeshadow palette. So I don't think you need all of this if you want to follow my step guides for this makeup tutorial. So yeah, it's gonna be a mess, but I hope it's gonna be a good mess at the end. So soon we'll find out. So of course I will be using brows, a brush right here. So it's gonna be very angly and thick and short. So pray to Jesus and finger crossed that you will make this brows look on flick. So for our first brows color, it's gonna be light blue. And our next color is gonna be this light baby purple right here. And for our third color, we're gonna go by this dark purple. Oh my god, the dark purple does everything, girl. And for our left brows, we're gonna start with the warm color. For our first color will be this bright orange right here. So after the orange one, we're gonna go by a red. And our last color is gonna be this baby hot pink right here. I know it sounds crazy why you put pink in it, but I'm just gonna trust my instinct and go with my vibe. So I'm create something that, I don't know, I'm just creating my own version of makeup today. So, oh my god guys, I have two colored brows. This looks sickening. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with our eyes, but we're gonna stay in the same eyeshadow palette from James Charles X Morphe. So for the first color, we're gonna start by violet. And then light blue. And then dark purple. Okay guys, so I think I am done with this eye, so let's go on the left eye. Our first color we're gonna start with by this second medium orange right here. And then hot pink. And then hot red. Alright guys, so as our both eyes is full of eyeshadow, now it's time for the cut crease. Alright guys, so as you create your night clouds already, so now let's go for this side. And as for our cut creases done, so let's start with our first color, which is yellow. And then red. And then the last color we're gonna go by hot pink. And as for this side, we're gonna apply some glitter onto our cut crease. Ooh, girl, that looks good. Whew, girl, that looks sickening. And now it's time for lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so my lash is on. It looks so nice and it's kind of big and fluffy and I can fly anytime soon. So now let's start on our foundation. Today I will be using by Flower Cosmetics. This is shade Caramel M5. Today we're not gonna do any kind of like contour today, but you can try to put them, but it's not necessary to apply it for this type of looks because girl, this look you don't need much of contour, but you need a lot of concealer and foundation. I'll be using Flower Cosmetics concealer today, and she is medium honey. And then you're gonna bake under your eyes. And then you're gonna apply some powder after. So as you're done with the powder, so now let's start on with our colorfulness. So for today's creative color, I'll be using Jaclyn Hill's X Morphe Volume 2. First color I'll be start by next. So for that kind of part, I'll be applying from my forehead through my cheek and then down to my jaw, which is gonna be the same as both sides. And then we're gonna go by Not My Journey. Every color that you apply on, you're gonna go the same direction as you apply the first color. Alright guys, so then we're gonna apply some black color. Alright guys, so I think we are done on our space area. So now we're gonna go for our sunshine realness. Girl, this, oh my god, I can totally see this shit coming together. Oh my god guys, so I guess that this is actually the bomb and .com.au realness. So now we're gonna create something beyond crazy. So I'm gonna start off doing all the shooting star, all the clouds on this dark night, and then we're gonna go do the other things on the left side. god, that's a big sunset. So I am done with my half of the sun, so now I'm gonna color it. Alright guys, so this is my sunset and night look, so what do you think? Oh my god guys, this is so cute. Oh my god, I don't know which side is my favorite or which one that I like the best, but I love them all because it's my art, it's my masterpiece. Why wouldn't you love them? So guys, pick your favorite. Which side is your favorite? So if you guys are night kind of cool tone person, this is your perfect side. And if you kind of like hot and fierce and sassy and warm kind of person, this is your side. And guys, if you love it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up on my video, and don't forget to subscribe as well. If you haven't, please do now and click the bell notification. Alright guys, so thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for every single one of you that have time and for the support and love for me and watching me doing my beautiful creative masterpiece makeup. So I hope you guys have a blessing and happy day, and I will see you guys next time with more makeup. Bye! I could swim in your eyes, hope that the tide doesn't drag me up. I could swim in your eyes, deep in your love.